Okay, we are recording. So now, today we will discuss about logic gates. We will discuss about logic gates, and that is based on Boolean algebra. Normal algebra, what we use in our mathematics, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Correct only, na? But Boolean algebra works on digital electronics. Work on digital electronics. This is very, very important for you people. When you go and take maybe computer science, information science, or electronic and communication, you will be having subjects analog circuits and digital circuits. Analog circuit, I don't want to tell because I have not studied EC, but I know analog circuits are the continuous circuits. I mean, there will be circuit, and to that circuit the input is given continuously. Understood now? Continuous input. For example, this is a continuous input. The voltage with respect to time is varying continuously, became maximum, and decreasing become minimum, then become negative voltage, then it becomes, that's an analog circuit, and it is input given to circuit and it is continuous. But there is a digital input. Digital input means for some time input is maximum, for rest of the time input is 0, and next time again input is maximum, then next time input is 0. This kind of inputs are called as digital circuits or digital inputs. This is analog. This is analog input, that is digital kind of input, which mean to say, that means here input can be anything. Input can be 0 volt, 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt, 4 volt, maximum 5. Then again 5 to 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then again negative. Input is variable. But here input is not variable. There are only two inputs. One, it can be 5 volt, or it can be what? 0. It can be 5. It can be 0. So these kind of inputs are called as binary inputs. Binary. Binary because it has only two variables. I mean, it can be maximum or minimum. It can be 1 or 0. It can be true or false. Are you understand? It can be high or low. It can be 5 volt or 0 volt. It can be on or off. Only. All are works on the same circuit, but depending upon different situation, the input names are called different. For example, imagine I'm giving an example that we have street light. Understood now? The automated street lights. The street light will get on after 6 o'clock. Imagine sun goes down, then street line switch on. That is exactly works on the basic gates or logic gates, because there will be a diode which sense if the light is falling on the diode or not. Until the photon is falling on the diode, then the diode does not work. That means true or false. It sees, is photon falling? True. Then it should switch off the circuit. That means light should not get on. As soon as the photon stop falling, light go dim at some value, then it should switch on the circuit. Then it will switch on the circuit and it works. And that is exactly how our automated doors also works. We go to a certain shopping mall and all, we go, suddenly door opens, then it sense, all the sensors are works on the same principle. I go, is person standing in front of you? Yes. Then output is given, then door opens, otherwise door closes. And that is how also our fake note detector also works. Are you understand? A fake note detector, already some program is created and properties of original note is there, and now the fake note is inserted to that. Now the program will see both. If both inputs are same, then output should be given. If one input is different than other input, then output should not be given, or it make noise, or it create sound. Or else when we go to shopping mall and we took one small substance or something which is not built, then you suddenly starts going out of the door. Suddenly alarm works, sound also created, sound also comes. It checks any person is going with a with any, I know, a product which is not being scanned once. I don't understand, it is scanned already, then it won't make the noise. All these, on or off, yes or no, true or false, high or low, all this works on the principle of binary inputs. There will be only two inputs or more than two also, but output can be only one. But inputs can be more, but inputs will be given only in terms of yes or no, true or false, high or low, 1 or 0, on or off. So those kind of algebra is called as Boolean algebra, that is used in digital electronics. So inputs can be, as I said, 1 or 0. Generally shown in terms of what? 1 and 0. Or it can be called as on. It can be called as off. It can be called as high. It can be called as low. It can be called as true. It can be called as false in different situation. I will take another example for our understanding. Imagine this is a circuit, and here we have a light, and this light is connected to battery over here. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now there are two inputs, switch 1 and switch 2. Imagine switch 1 is also open, switch 2 is also open. So switch 1 is also open andre what is input? 0. Switch 2 is also open, what is input? 0. Will bulb glow? Then output is also what? 0. Correct? Now let us say switch 1 is closed, andre 1. Switch 2 is open. Then what is the output? Will it glow? It is connected, but it is still open only, na? Then what is the output? Still 0. Now let us open switch 1 but close switch 2. Then also output is how much? 0 only. But only when, if both are closed, then circuit will be completed, then you can able to see the output. Are you understand? These are the inputs. Off 0. Off, sorry, on off, light is off only. Off on, light is off only. But both are on, then light is on. Now it is kind of digital circuit where it works on two inputs. Whenever two inputs are maximum, then only output is maximum. In all other case, input is 0. This is called as AND gate. We'll discuss about it, but it is called as what? AND gate. That is how AND gate works. Whenever two inputs are maximum, then only output will be maximum. If I change the same circuit by a small variation, what variation it is? Let me draw it. We will draw all those things again, no problem. Only I am discussing here. Now, instead of putting that switches there, I am putting the switches here. Now, think about it. Now, new outputs. Think about it. Now, both are open, 0, 0. Then how power will go? Power will go through the light, then light will on. Are you able to understand or not? The light will not go here because there is no path only. It is open. Then current will go through the bulb and bulb glows. Then 0, 0, you got what? 1. Now let us close one, open another, but still the path is not closed. Then still the light glows. Then close this and open that, then also light glows. But close both of them. Are you able to understand? Close both of them. When you close both of them, light, the power will pass through this. Power will not go through this because device means resistance. The light will not, the current will not choose the path which has resistance. Path always will be where there is no resistance. Then our current goes through this, then this will be not glowing, then it is 0. Now when two inputs are maximum, the output is 0. Only output is there whenever at least one input is minimum. This is exactly opposite of AND gate, and it's called as NAND gate, not of AND gate. Again, I said we will discuss this properly. I'm just giving an example that all this performance or all this working of logic gates is based on the Boolean algebra. And Boolean algebra is not like our normal algebra. It will have only two inputs. The inputs are referred by what? 1, 0. Now they are called as different names based on different circuits. Are you able to understand? Based on different circuit, they called as what? Different names. It can be true or false, high or low, on or off, open or close. Are you able to understand? So very simple. So now please write. Please. Okay. Okay, right. Next. So there are some operations in Boolean algebra. First operation is OR addition. First operation is OR addition. It is like learning the whole new mathematics. Understood now? You might study all these things in your computer science. Are you studying? Okay. So OR addition. OR addition means Y is written as A or B. How it is said as? Y is output. Which are inputs? A and B. And it is read as output is A or B. It is read as Y is equal to A or B, which means either A or B, any one of the input is maximum, then output will be maximum. At least one should be maximum. So OR addition, output is maximum when at least one of the input is maximum. At least one of the input is maximum. One of the input is maximum, and that is read as Y is equal to A or B. Any one at least. Then output will be maximum. So what we can take? We can take something like this. Imagine this is A, this is B. So A is 0. Then B is also 0. Then Y is what? A or B. Then what is the output? 0. Because at least one should be maximum. Then A is 0. B is 1. Then it can be 1. Because at least one is maximum, then output is also maximum. Then A is 1, B is 0. Then 1. If both are maximum, then also 1. Maximum output can be 1 only. Are you able to understand? And this is called as truth table. This is called as truth table. That is the table which contains for respective inputs what are the outputs. Are you able to understand? That is called as truth table. And this is called as expression. Boolean expression. Boolean. George Boole is a name of a scientist. George Boole is a name of a scientist. That's why they are called as Boolean expressions. Artha aita? That's an expression. That is how you read it, and this is how truth table looks like. Now let us take some operations like, listen here, A plus 0. What can be the answer? Now which is variable there? A. Other B is already 0. Then what can be the answer? What can be the answer? Because now it depends upon what? A. Because B is already 0. If I put A is equal to 0, answer is 0. If I put A is equal to 1, answer can be equal to what? A or 1. So that depends upon A. That's why the answer is A. Now let us take A plus 1. Answer is how much? What is the answer? Now it looks like what? This look like this or this, or also not this. This B is already 1. Now it depends upon what? Is it depends upon A now? No, because no. It depends because any one is maximum. Already B is maximum, na? Whether you put A is equal to 0 or A is equal to 1, what will be the answer? 1 only. Correct or not? Next, A plus A. What is answer? A plus A. What is answer? A. A plus A is equal to A. It is this or this. Both are 0. Then 0. Correct or not? Both are 1. Then 1. Next is A plus A bar. A bar means inverse of the input. If I am input is A bar becomes 0. If A is 0, then A bar becomes 1. Inverse, only two inputs are there. Then inverse for 0 is 1. Inverse of 1 is 0. Then what will be the answer? What will be the answer for this? Now these are which option? These options. Correct or not? If I give A is equal to 0, A bar becomes what? 1. Then answer will be, if I give A is equal to 1, A bar will be 0. Still the answer is equal to 1 only. Are you able to understand? So these 4 are also important in OR addition. They are exactly like a truth table only, but they have written in terms of a function, or written in terms of a program or something. Understood now? Please understand them properly. Understanding, Nida Fatima. What's your name? And Fatima, correct? I should switch off now. Okay. See, I am not only rude, I can sing properly also. That is how I got my girlfriend. Okay. Okay, right. And multiplication. Okay, right. And multiplication. And multiplication is denoted y is equal to a dot b. Enough. Y is equal to a dot b. Now, inputs can be 0, comma 0. A dot, athwa it is read as A and B. It is read as A and B. Only when. And means only if both inputs are maximum, then output is maximum. Only if both inputs are maximum, then output is maximum. Otherwise output is 0. So 0 comma 0, what should be the answer? 0. Because both are low, then answer is low. 0 1 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಗೋಕರ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ? Input 1 is 0, then answer is 0. Only when both inputs are maximum, the answer is maximum. All other case it is 0. So this is the truth table. This is A and this is B. This is Y is equal to A dot B. Understood now? This is truth table. Now I hope we can write these values also. Let us write. Come on, let us write. Write what are the values first. Moinuddin, write fast. Tell me. When we say, when question is given, first you should work on the question, because whatever is there on the board, that will be there on the board. First you should work on the question. People will be keep on writing this, then they will solve question later. By that time we will only write the answer. Hello Nitin, answer. A dot 0 is 0, because already there is 0. Does not matter what A is. A is 1 also 0, A is 0 also 0. Now depends on A. Now if A becomes 1, the answer is 1. If A becomes 0, answer is 0. A dot A 1 1 1 0 0 0. Always 0. If you take A bar is 0. Then A into A bar 1 into 0 is 0. If you take this one as 0, this will become 1, then answer is 0. Correct na? We can write somehow 1. Can write somehow 1. Answer to be as 1. We cannot write. That's it. Next, last. Not operation. Not operation. I'm writing here only because it is very small. Last operation is not operation. First one is and addition. Second one is and addition and multiplication. Now not operation. We are using different names, you can see it. Or is called as addition, and is called as multiplication. Not is neither addition or multiplication, it is an operation. What operation? Simple. Not of input. Not of input. Exactly ulta input. If I give input 0, output is 1. If I give input 1, output is 0. And this is called as Y is equal to A bar. Y is equal to A bar. Understood now? Y is equal to A bar. Simple. So truth table we have already written 0 1 1 0. Okay. Let us write next heading. Madhya. Madhya only na? Are understanding? Is my voice is good? When not when I scold, when I sing. Isn't it good, Kishore? Good only na? We should not lie. It is good only. Take next. OR gate. OR gate. OR gate. So there is difference between OR addition and OR gate. There is difference between OR addition and OR gate. OR addition is an operation. but OR gate is a device. Are you understand? There is theory for mobile. So when we study the theory, that is not mobile. When you build it, that becomes what? Mobile. But the mobile works on theory of mobile. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ OR gate is a logical instrument, is a logical device or instrument created using diodes. Created using diodes. Diodes are used, which works on OR operation or OR addition. Which works on OR addition. We already know what is the truth table, what should be the inputs, then what will be the output. Then we should understand how this diodes will work to give that output. So let us write the circuit first. Circuit looks like this. We should always should know how the circuit look like. That too for mains. That is very, very important. This is exactly how the circuit looks like. Two diodes will be there connected as shown. This is circuit for OR gate. Now we already know the inputs. What are the inputs? 0, 0. What is output? 0. 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 1. So this is truth table. This is circuit. Let us understand how this circuit will give those truth table. So let us say this is where you are giving two inputs. A is one input, B is another input. Two diodes are given, not Zener diode, normal diodes. Here some resistance is connected. It is connected to earthing. Then potential is how much? 0. Here where you are measuring the output. It can be speaker, it can be light, it can be anything. But it is an output. So now let us give 0, 0. 0, 0 andre here we cannot write 0, 0. You have to say I am giving 0 voltage and 0 voltage. Artha aita? So now this is earth means 0. Then here also 0. Then everywhere it is 0. Are you understand? No diode is connected to any voltage. This is also connected between 0 and 0. This is also connected between 0 and 0. Then the output also measured as what? 0. When inputs are 0 and 0, output is 0. Let us give 0, 1. I mean this one is 0 volt. This is 5 volt. 1 volt means we are giving some 5 volt. Understood now? Maximum voltage. 1 is not 1 volt. 1 means maximum. 1 means true. 1 means high. So high voltage we are giving how much? 5 volt. Now tell me, this is 0 only because it's earthing. Now still the diode A is connected between 0 and 0. But diode B is connected between 5 and 0. So it is in forward or reverse bias? Forward. P type is connected to higher potential, N type is connected to lower. Then current starts flowing like this. But now current has two paths. One path is here, one path is here. Current will never go through a resistor. Current will go like this only. Are you able to understand? Then if you are giving 5 volt, the output is available or not? Output is available. Same thing happens when you give this one 5 volt, this one 0. This will be in this will be not connected anything, but this will be in forward bias. Then current flows like this, then you will get a output. When you give both 5 volt and 5 volt, that is 1 comma 1, then both are in forward bias, then both will conduct, then also you will get same output. So whenever inputs are given like this, then you will get a output. That is exactly how the truth table works and the diode circuit works. This is circuit, this is truth table. The expression already we know, y is equal to a or b, but device symbol is this. Symbol for the device is this. Understood now? That is circuit, but this is symbol. We cannot always write the circuit in the diagram. So that's why denote by what? Symbol. So this is A, one input, this is B, another input. So output will be what? Y is equal to A or B. Exactly love, like this it works. And this is how it looks. In any complex diagram, you are able to see this. You have to understand this is OR gate and the truth table is this. Understood now? Please write. Next is AND gate. Next, AND gate. So AND gate, as usual, AND gate is a logic gate, works on AND multiplication, and we already know what is AND multiplication. Correct only, na? So let us write the circuit first. So circuit somehow looks like this. So circuit looks like this. There is a slight difference between shh. Please concentrate. Exactly one question will come from logic gates, and that too mainly from this gate operations. So there is exactly two diodes used, almost same configuration, but in previous circuit diodes are connected ulta and there was no battery here. Directly resistance were there and earthing was there. But now there is a battery connected and there is a resistance, and this one is connected to earthing. Only slight difference, and the diodes are connected ulta. Ulta connection is not reverse biased. Are you able to understand? Reverse biasing is different. Reverse biasing is P type connected to lower potential, N type connected to higher potential. Are you able to understand? So now we already know the truth table. Truth table is 0 comma 0 is 0, 0 comma 1 is also 0, 1 comma 0 0, 1 comma 1. That means only when two inputs are maximum there should be output. Understanding now? Only when two inputs are maximum then you get output, otherwise output is 0. Now let us start giving the inputs. Inputs I am giving 0 volt and 0 volt. So before giving that 0 volt and 0 volt, let us take, I will take this cell also has how much potential? We can take 5 volt. Now from 5 volt current starts going, because this is earthing, then this is higher potential, then current starts going. Are you able to understand? Then some voltage will be lost through this resistor, because what is the potential dropped? I into R. Then 5 volt, imagine 1 volt gone. Then what is left here? 4 volt. Only example. We don't know exactly how much goes, but some potential will be dropped. So Adrali Salpa lost, now it is 4 volt. Now this is 4 volt. This is how much? 4 volt. Okay, that is in the system itself. Now we are giving 0 and 0. Now tell me, this diode is connected, P type connected to 4 volt, N type connected to 0 na? It's in forward or reverse bias? Forward bias. P type connected to higher potential, N type connected to lower potential. P type connected to higher potential, N type connected to lower potential. Both are in forward bias. When both are in forward bias, the current will not go through the output, it will start flowing to like this, because diode will offer how much resistance? 0. In forward bias, diode will offer how much resistance? 0. Here there is a bulb here. Understood na? The light will not go to the bulb, because bulb is a resistance. It will always choose the path where there is no resistance. Now from here, the light or the current starts going like this. Are you able to understand? Then what output you will get? You will get output 0. When you give input 0 comma 0, output is 0. Did you understand or not? Because both will be in forward bias, then current goes like this. Sir, where it goes, wherever it goes, it is not our matter, but there is no output. Let us give 0 comma 5. I mean 0 comma 1. Now this is in reverse, sorry, this is in reverse bias, because P type connected to lower potential, N type connected to higher potential. Then current cannot flow through this, but current can flow through this, because still that is in forward bias only. Then current will pass through this, still there is no output. 0 comma 1 also there is no output. Adhe riti if you do 5 comma 0 andre 1 comma 0, then this will be in forward bias, this will be in reverse bias. Then current flows through this. Only when you give both as 5 volt and 5 volt. Then both will become reverse bias. Are you able to understand? Because p type is connected to 4, n type is connected to 5. P type is connected to 4, n type is connected to 5. Then both will not conduct. There is no path for a current. Then current has to go to the light. Understood now? Current has to go to the light, which means when you give both input maximum, then only there is a output. So that is a circuit. That is a truth table. Then expression already we know, A dot B. Then how the symbol for AND gate. AND gate symbol is this. This is A, this is B, this is Y is equal to A dot B. In the previous OR gate, most of us will get confused. OR gate, there is a curved line, and this line has a curve. This one is not a curved line, that is a straight line. Right, please. Enough. So, NOT gate, there is no circuit. I mean, there is a circuit, but it is not in our syllabus, because NOT gate works on the concept of transistors, and transistors are not there for our syllabus. It was there 2 years before. Transistors, IC circuits were there, but now transistors are not there. So that's why the circuit will not be asked. But the symbol for NOT gate is this. Only one input, one output. If you give A, Y is equal to how much? A bar. That is the symbol. So we already know the truth table. 0 idre 1, 1 idre 0. Nothing else is supposed to know. Simple. That's it. For NOT gate. NOT gate simple. And symbol of the NOT gate is that. And the truth table. Circuit is not required. Nobody is going to ask any circuit for us. But AND gate, NOR gate, sorry, OR gate, they will ask, because they are basically diodes. They don't ask you to explain any circuit. They will ask the given circuit represents what kind of gate. Or else the given circuit, what is the truth table for a given circuit? You should know it is OR gate, then what is the truth table? Artha aita? Are you able to understand? Or else AND gate is represented by what circuit? Simple. Next, right? These three are fundamental gates, like a fundamental physical quantities. Length, mass, time are fundamental quantities. With the help of mass and length and time, we can derive velocity, acceleration, force, work, energy, gravitation field, electric field, all those things. Adhe riti, OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate are fundamental. With the help of them, we can derive some derived gates. So first derived gate is not of OR gate. That is also known as NOR gate. N represent not. OR gate Allah. Are you able to understand? Opposite of OR gate. We already know OR gate. OR gate works, and the truth table for OR gate is whenever at least one input is more, then there will be a output. Now exactly opposite of that gate. Are you able to understand? So how do we represent? Circuit is not required. Again I am telling, circuit only for OR gate and AND gate required. But symbols, first there should be OR gate. Understood now? So I am giving A and B. Then what will be the answer? Y is equal to A or B. Now this should be followed by NOT gate. Followed by NOT gate. So we have given y is equal to a plus b. Then what I got? Y is equal to a plus b whole bar. Are you understand? Now here you have to understand there is some theorems. The theorems are De Morgan's theorems. De Morgan's theorem. What they say? They say that if there is a plus b whole bar, this can also be written as what? A bar, a bar dot b bar. A plus b whole bar is written as a bar dot b bar. Athwa you have a bar dot b bar, that can be written as a plus b whole, but they are interconvertible. And also if you have a dot b whole bar, that can be written as what? A bar plus b bar. Very, very important. In whenever you are solving some complex circuits and you got these expressions, you can interchange them. So right now we are getting that y is equal to a plus b whole bar. That can be written as what? A bar dot b bar. In any expression, you got the output as a bar dot b bar, that can be written as a plus b whole bar. That is nothing but what gate? NOR gate. Understood na? So iveredu seri the symbol for NOR gate is this. As usual OR gate, but adar mundagade to represent NOT gate they should be 0. Artha aita? So this is A and this is B. So the output is y is equal to a plus b bar. Are you able to understand? In the circuit, we should very, very careful about these things. Then what is truth table for this? Truth table, R ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ R ಏನ್ output ಬರುತ್ತೋ exactly ಉಲ್ಟಾ. So ಆಸಿನಿ 0, 0. What is output for R gate? 0. But for NOR gate 1. So 0, 1. For OR gate 1. Here it is ulta of OR gate. So 1, 0 there 1, but here 0. Correct? There 1, 1 also 1 there. Here it is 0. Truth table for NOR gate. Understood now? Just reverse it. Whatever OR gate you got it, reverse it. We are giving the circuit. I want you to write what will be the output. Can we do that? Yes, come on. What is the output? Do it fast. Everyone, play Moin. Nico. We should not take your name on this mic. It will be recorded. Please understand that. Come on, write the output fast and see the output looks like what. Write. Write in the diagram itself outputs. And write a proper diagram. Lay ಎರಡು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿದೆಯಲ್ಲೋ. Did I? Are they touching? Don't give 0 and 0. Give what? A and B. See what happens. Don't give 0 and 0. Don't analyze the circuit. ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. Then when you will solve question, you are Jagdish. I will take your name intentionally. Because they should see who is making mistakes. Huh? You are lagging. When I say do that question, then first do that question. Rest will be in the board only, na? You can copy later. Bariyo, bega. Don't give 0 and 0. Give A and B. Don't give 0, 1 and all those things. Just give A and B. Get the expression. Did you get the expression? Is it OR gate or AND gate? Huh? Is it OR gate? Then what is the output for AND gate? Multiplication or addition? Then why did you write the addition? Don't change because I said something. What's your name? Huh? Bhavana. If I say, are you Bhavana? No, I am Kavana. Will you say like that? Have some confidence. When you are writing expression, don't take the values. Yuva, this is A. After passing through not get, what it becomes? A bar. Are you able to understand? Here we are giving B. After passing through not get, it becomes what? B bar. Now this is AND gate. AND gate output is, if you are giving A and B, answer is A dot B. If I am giving A bar dot B bar, answer will be what? A bar dot B bar. And this can also be written as what? A plus B whole gar. That is exactly same as what? NOR gate only, na? That means NOR gate can also be designed using NOT gate and AND gate. Are you able to understand? So they will ask you, how do we, like, what is the, which of the gate represent OR gate? Nothing you have to do. Don't memorize anything. Write the expressions, pass the expression through the gate and see what happens. Then finally what happens. If it is following any one of the theorem, then change them. Then write it. No sir, they are not following any of the theorems. Finally you can do, write the truth table. Give the values. Give A is equal to 0. I am giving A is equal to 0. Here becomes what? 1. B is equal to 0. It becomes what? 1. Now AND gate. 1 and 1 answer is how much? 1. Then for 0 comma 0 I am getting, for 0 comma 0 I am getting 1. Then for 1 comma 1 I will get what? 0. Correct only, na? Then 0 comma 1 I am giving. I am giving here 0. It becomes 1. Here I am giving 1. It becomes what? 0. Then AND gate. 1 comma 0 I should get what? 0. Then 0. Then 0. That is exactly equal to what? NOR gate. Opposite of OR gate, na? So if any complex circuit is there and you have never seen the circuit, write the expression and give the values and see the truth table. Truth table will match with some of the things. Then based on the truth table you say which gate it is. You may not have to see, you may not have to remember all the gates. It is not possible. Remember only fundamental gates. Can we do one more? NAND gate. Not AND gate. Not of AND gate. Also known as NAND gate. So AND gate in output idave. Other opposite of it. Simple. So there should be AND gate. Then followed by what? NOT gate. So here we are giving A and B. Output will be A dot B. So it's passing through NOT gate. Then A dot B whole bar. That is also written as what? A bar plus B bar. Then what is the symbol? As usual, symbol will be AND gate will be there, but followed by what? A, B. Directly you can write A dot B whole bar. Did we write the previous symbol correctly? Yes. Now also it is correct only. Artha output. Yuva Jagdish, come on. Tell me now what SR? 0 comma 0. AND gate ali what is output? But it is NAND gate. What is the output? 1. Ulta of it. 0 comma 1. There it is. There it is 0. Here it is 1. 1 comma 0. There it is 0. It is 1. 1 comma 1. There it is 1. Here it is 0. Artha aita? Lay AND gate andre when both are positive, both are maximum, then only output is maximum. In all other case 0. Adu nenpidkondre we can write NAND gate. OR gate nenpidkondre we can write NOR gate. Understood na? Tadamad understanding. So we can also use OR gate. Correct only na? We can use what? OR gate to create what? NAND gate. How do we create it? Very simple. Again, NOT gate, 2 NOT gates are used. Then you give A, it becomes what? A bar. You give, it becomes what? B bar. Then you have to add them, na? To add them, what you need? OR gate. Correct or not? Add. Then A bar dot plus B bar. That is nothing but A dot B whole bar. That is nothing but NAND gate. Creation of NAND gate using NOT gate and OR gate. Please, anyone facing problem here, tell me now only. Sir, I am not able to understand. Tell. Or else you can ask outside also. You can ask me outside in the class or in the staff room. Now, I am writing a circuit and you have to tell me what is the expression, and also as I am telling again, the expression may not match with any of the gates, but it is still some gate only now. You can write the truth table for it. Whenever you are getting confused, take the values. 0 0 I am giving, what is the answer? 1 1 I am giving, what is the answer? Write the truth table. Artha aita? Can we do that after this? If you say you have written, all of you have written, we'll proceed. Mainly, I need answer from Gokarna. You have to tell me the answer for the next question. And also answer from anyone's name start with H. Asini. Asini already told the previous answer. He's already said. Harshit. Hemant also. Who is Hemant? Huh? Hemant will tell the answer. Hey, ಯಾಕೋ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ತಾನೆ then you will tell. Okay, both students will tell. By bad luck we got both boys only. Okay, everyone start writing. The graph or the gate, write the expression of the gate, and after the expression also write the truth table. Just give A and B and see what happens. Pass through each gate and see what happens. And finally, you will get an expression. And also, based on the expression, you can write the truth table also. Madam, what is your name? I am taking your name. Why? What you did not understand? Why? ಹಿಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? A you are sending. What is this kind? What kind of gate it is? Huh? Then when A passes through this, it becomes what? हो गया खत्म. This is B passes through not gate becomes what? B bar. Then directly यहाँ से B connect है. Then it becomes what? B. Directly यहाँ से A. Then what it becomes? That is just passing over that. Understood? Na? It is not connected. Both are not connected. That's it. Okay. Now this is AND gate. You are giving inputs A bar and B. Now see AND gate. Where is AND gate? AND gate. If you give A and B, output is A dot B. So here output is you are giving input A bar dot B. Then output is A bar dot B. B bar illete. Here A dot B bar. Then both are sending to OR gate. Add them. Simple only, na? Hey, who I said? Gokarna. Hela Gokarna. Come on, stand up. Come on, Gokarna, you can do it. So A passed through NOT gate. It becomes what? Very good. Then, but this line is directly connected to here. That is connected before NOT gate. Then it still becomes what only? A only. Correct only, na? Then here B is given, passed through NOT gate, it becomes what? B bar. But now this line is, this indicates it is passing over that. Simple. Are you able to understand? In circuits, when line is written like this, means both doesn't have any connections. So the B goes here, then it becomes what? B. Aita. Done. Now this is AND gate. Now output of AND gate is if A, B are given A dot B. But A bar dot B are given what then? A bar dot B. B bar ellite. A bar dot B. Illi A and B bar is there. Then what is answer? A dot B bar. Understood na? Simple. Now this is OR gate. OR gate will add input. This is one input, this is another input. Add them. A bar dot B plus A dot B bar. That is the output. Understood na? Simple output. Can you write truth table for it? Truth table. Yashaswini. Can you write truth table? Yes or not? Write it. Simple. Give 0 comma 0. I am giving 0 comma 0. But A bar andre 0 bar andre ಎಷ್ಟು? 1. Correct only na? 1. B is how much? 0. Now A is 0. But B bar is 1. Then 0 dot it is 1 comma 0 0. 0 comma 1 0. Then 0 plus 0 is 0. So 0 0 will get 0. Then 1 and 1 also will get what? 0 only. Then which means 0 and 1 will get 1. 1 and 0 will get 1. Calculate it like that. Now calculate. For 0 1 calculate it. समझ में आ रहा है ना? कौन सा? कौन सा? हेलो, मैं कहाँ है क्या? Is it done? Did we calculate second one? This one. Let us give 0 and 1. ए 0 बी 1, तो ए 0, ए बार क्या है 1, बी 0 ओनली, प्लस ए 0 बट बी बार क्या दिया हमने, ए इज 0 ना, correct only we have written na, this is 1, this is ए, मैं लिखूंगा, मैं क्या कर रहा हूं 0 एंड 1, तो ये 0 है बी 1 है, तो ये बार क्या होगा 1, बी क्या है, करेक्ट ओनली, वेरी गुड। नाउ ये क्या है 0, बी 1 है लेकिन बी बार क्या होगा 0, तो 0 0 1 1 देन 1 प्लस 0, समझ गए ना, तो 0 1 1 1 0 1, this is a special gate called as XOR gate. XOR means exclusive OR gate. XOR means what? Exclusive OR gate. Why it is exclusive? Because it is very very important. It is giving output 0 when two inputs are same, not high or not low. Whenever two inputs are same, output is 0. Whenever two inputs are different, then there is a output. Are you able to understand? Now I am giving one more homework. One more homework is given. You have to solve it in home. Everything, including truth table and expression also. Please write and go. I hope you understand. There is no problem in that. Everything is remain same. So expression we need and the truth table also next class will discuss. Thank you.